Hi, I'm Brian with Pioneer Builders. This is going to be a simple video on the Panasonic Intelli-Balance 100 basic maintenance. So this is the unit itself, and on each side are the hatches, these little clasps. You open those up, and on the inside there's two filters. This one is sort of what you might call a nuisance filter, and that is grabbing the air from the inside of the house and filtering it before it goes outside. The main reason for this is to protect the unit itself. This side is the actual filter for the indoor air. So this is something that periodically you would take out, vacuum, and you should be able to put it right back in. And then when you're done, clasp it and you should be good to go. I have it off right now. You turn it back on, and then this here is the filter reset button. So you can go ahead and reset the filter. Up here you have the different dials. This is how many minutes per hour the unit is set to run. Right now it's set at 10. The supply air is set at 50 CFMs, and then the exhaust air is set at 50. You can change those dials to adjust it for what you want in your own home. Now we'll go ahead and go downstairs and I'll show you the switches for up here.